Throughout human history, agriculture has been the backbone of civilization, providing the nourishment and resources necessary for societies to flourish. Yet, for millennia, farming was a labor intensive, time consuming endeavor, reliant on the strength of human hands and animals. That changed dramatically with the advent of revolutionary agricultural machines. These inventions not only transformed the way land was cultivated and crops were harvested, but they also shaped economies, populations, and the very fabric of rural life. Today, we'll explore the top 10 agricultural machines that profoundly changed farming, ushering in a new era of productivity and innovation. Number one on our list is the plow, one of the oldest and most significant agricultural implements. Early plows, dating back thousands of years, were simple wooden tools dragged by humans or animals, but their impact was immense. By turning and loosening the soil, plows made it possible to prepare land more efficiently, bury weeds, and incorporate crop residues. The evolution continued with the iron plowshare and later the steel plow, invented by John Deere in 1837. Unlike previous models, Deere's design could cut through tough, sticky prairie soil without clogging, opening up vast tracts of land for cultivation in North America. The plow's legacy is profound. It laid the foundation for modern agriculture, enabling farmers to work larger fields and produce more food than ever before. Next, we turn to the reaper, a machine that forever altered the way grains were harvested. Before its invention, harvesting wheat, barley, and oats was slow, grueling work, done by hand with sickles and scythes. That changed in 1831 when Cyrus McCormick introduced the mechanical reaper. This ingenious device used a series of sharp blades to cut stalks of grain as a team of horses pulled it across the field. With the reaper, a single farmer could do the work of several laborers, harvesting acres in the time it once took to clear a fraction of a field. The reaper not only saved labor, but also reduced crop losses due to weather, ensuring more grain reached the market and the table. The third revolutionary machine on our list is the combine harvester, often simply called the combine. This marvel of engineering, first developed in the mid-19th century and perfected in the early 20th, revolutionized grain farming by combining three essential processes: reaping, threshing, and winnowing into a single continuous operation. No longer did farmers need to cut, gather, and process their crops in separate, laborious steps. The combine harvester, pulled by horses in its earliest form and later powered by steam engines and eventually internal combustion engines, could move through a field, cutting grain, separating the kernels from the stalks, and blowing away the chaff, all in one pass. Today's combines are massive, high-tech machines capable of harvesting hundreds of acres in a day, a testament to how far this invention has come. Our fourth transformative machine is the tractor, often seen as the workhorse of the modern farm. The first practical gasoline-powered tractor was built by John Froelich in 1892, and it wasn't long before tractors began to replace horses and oxen for plowing, planting, and hauling. The tractor's power and versatility made it possible to farm larger areas with fewer people, and its adaptability led to a host of attachments, from plows and cultivators to seed drills and sprayers. Tractors not only increased productivity, but also fostered a wave of innovation in agriculture, as manufacturers raced to improve their designs and create new implements. Today, tractors come in all sizes and configurations, equipped with GPS, automation, and even autonomous driving capabilities, making them indispensable to farmers worldwide. The fifth game-changing machine is the seed drill, invented by Jethro Tull in the early 18th century. Before the seed drill, farmers scattered seed by hand, leading to uneven distribution, wasted seed, and poor yields. The seed drill changed all that by planting seeds at the correct depth and spacing, covering them with soil to protect them from birds and the elements. This method ensured better germination, more uniform crops, and significantly higher yields. The seed drill's influence can be seen in today's precision planters, which use advanced technology to place each seed exactly where it's needed, maximizing efficiency and productivity. Sixth on our list is the cotton gin, invented by Eli Whitney in 1793. While not a field machine in the traditional sense, the cotton gin was nonetheless revolutionary for agriculture, particularly in the American South. Before the cotton gin, separating cotton fibers from seeds was an arduous, time consuming task. Whitney's machine automated the process, using a series of rotating hooks and mesh screens to quickly and efficiently separate the fibers. This dramatically increased the profitability of cotton farming, spurring the expansion of cotton plantations and reshaping economies and societies. The cotton gin's impact was so profound that it's often credited with fueling the Industrial Revolution and changing the global textile industry forever. Seventh, we have the mechanical milking machine, which transformed dairy farming. Before its invention, farmers milked cows by hand, a slow and physically demanding process. The first practical milking machines appeared in the late 19th century, using suction to extract milk quickly and hygienically. These machines greatly increased the efficiency of dairy operations, allowing farmers to manage larger herds and produce more milk with less labor. Over time, milking machines became more sophisticated, incorporating pulsators, automated cleaning systems, and sensors to monitor cow health and milk quality. Today's modern dairy farms rely on robotic milking systems, which allow cows to be milked on demand, further improving productivity and animal welfare. Eighth on our list is the hay baler, a machine that revolutionized the way farmers collect, store, and transport fodder for their animals. Before the baler, hay was cut, raked, and stacked by hand, a labor-intensive process that left the crop vulnerable to weather damage. The first mechanical balers, developed in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, compressed hay into compact, easily handled bales, which could be quickly gathered and stored. Modern balers come in various types, producing square or round bales of different sizes, often wrapped in plastic to preserve freshness. This innovation not only saved time and labor, but also improved the quality and safety of animal feed. Ninth, we must recognize the sprayer, an essential tool for modern crop protection. Early farmers applied pesticides and fertilizers by hand or with rudimentary equipment, often with inconsistent results. The development of the mechanical field sprayer in the 20th century allowed for even, efficient application over large areas, reducing waste and improving crop health. Today's sprayers are highly advanced, featuring computer-controlled booms, GPS guidance, and variable rate technology that adjusts the amount of product applied based on real-time field conditions. These innovations have helped farmers protect their crops from pests and diseases while minimizing environmental impact. Finally, the 10th revolutionary agricultural machine on our list is the GPS-guided precision planter. While the idea of using satellites to guide farm equipment might have seemed like science fiction a few decades ago, it's now a reality on farms around the world. Precision planters use GPS and sophisticated software to plant seeds with incredible accuracy, optimizing spacing, depth, and seed count. This technology not only maximizes yields and reduces input costs, but also minimizes soil disturbance and environmental impact. By leveraging real-time data and analytics, farmers can make precise adjustments on the fly, ensuring every acre is used to its full potential. As we reflect on these 10 transformative machines, it becomes clear that each one represents more than just a piece of equipment. They are milestones in the ongoing story of agriculture. From the simple, hand-drawn plows of ancient times to today's autonomous, data-driven marvels, agricultural machines have enabled humanity to feed a growing population, adapt to changing climates, and steward the land for future generations. The impact of these inventions extends far beyond the fields themselves. By reducing the need for manual labor, they have freed millions from backbreaking work, allowing people to pursue education, industry, and innovation in other fields. They have made food more abundant, affordable, and accessible, contributing to improved health and prosperity worldwide. At the same time, they have brought new challenges, from the management of resources to the stewardship of soil and water, prompting ongoing innovation and adaptation. The story of agricultural machinery is far from over. As technology advances, new tools and methods continue to emerge, building on the legacy of the past to meet the demands of the future. From drones that monitor crop health from above to robots that weed and harvest with pinpoint precision, the next wave of innovation promises to be just as transformative as those that came before. Yet, at the heart of it all, the goal remains the same: to work in harmony with the land, growing food and fiber to sustain life. The top 10 revolutionary agricultural machines stand as a testament to human ingenuity and our enduring relationship with the earth. As we look to the future, we can draw inspiration from these inventions, knowing that with creativity, determination, and respect for nature, there are no limits to what we can achieve in the fields of tomorrow.